Hey everyone! Welcome to flowwork.ai. If you're dealing with request for proposals RFPs, you know how overwhelming they can be. But what if I told you that you can convert an RFP into a structured workflow in just seconds using flowwork.ai? Sounds amazing, right? Stick around and I'll show you how. First, head over to flowwork.ai and log into your account. If you don't have one, you can sign up. It's super quick and easy. Once you enter the homepage, click on Start with AI. Now, simply upload your RFP document. Flowwork.ai supports multiple formats, so whether it's a PDF, Word document, or even plain text, you're good to go. Once uploaded, the AI kicks in, analyzing the document, extracting key requirements, milestones, and deadlines. This happens in just a few seconds. Boom, your structured workflow is ready. You'll see tasks, dependencies, and deadlines automatically mapped out. You can review and customize any step to fit your team's needs. Now, just assign tasks to team members, set priorities, and collaborate in real time. Everything is streamlined, making your RFP process more efficient than ever. And that's it. In just a few clicks, you've transformed a complex RFP into a structured workflow with flowwork.ai. Try it out now.